Hello and welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things related to education. Today, we are going to discuss how to improve your mathematical calculation skills. Mathematical calculation skills are essential in our daily lives. Whether you're calculating your budget, figuring out a tip at a restaurant, or measuring ingredients for cooking, basic math skills are necessary. So, how can you improve your math skills? Here are some tips. Practice regularly. The more you practice, the better you become. Set aside some time every day to practice math problems, and gradually increase the difficulty level as you progress. Use mental math. Mental math is a great way to improve your calculation skills. Try to do simple calculations mentally instead of relying on a calculator. This will help you become faster and more accurate in your calculations. Break down problems. When faced with a complex problem, try to break it down into smaller, more manageable parts. This will make it easier to solve and will also help you identify any mistakes you might make along the way. Focus on accuracy. Accuracy is more important than speed. Take your time to ensure that your calculations are correct before moving on to the next problem. Learn shortcuts. There are many shortcuts and tricks that can make mathematical calculations easier and faster. For example, you can use the distributive property to simplify multiplication problems or use rounding to estimate answers. Use technology. While it's important to be able to do calculations by hand, there's nothing wrong with using technology to help you out. You can use a calculator or a spreadsheet to check your work or to do more complex calculations. Practice with real-world examples. Try to apply your mathematical skills to real-world situations. This will help you understand how math is used in everyday life and will also make it more interesting and engaging. By following these tips, you can improve your mathematical calculation skills and become more confident in your abilities. Remember, practice makes perfect. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.